In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to listen to Amazon Music offline. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your music for times when you don't have an internet connection, like on a flight, during a commute, or in areas with weak service. First, you need to download the music you want to hear. Offline listening only works with songs, albums, or playlists you've saved to your device. Open the Amazon Music app. Browse or search for the song, album, or playlist you want, and tap the download button. You'll see it start saving to your device. It's best to do this while you're on Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data and to speed things up. Once a download finishes, that content is stored for offline playback inside the app. If something isn't downloaded, it won't play without an internet connection, so make sure your must-have tracks are saved ahead of time. Next, turn on offline mode so the app shows and plays only what's downloaded. On Android or iPhone, open the Amazon Music app, go to Settings, the gear icon, and switch on Offline mode. When this is enabled, your library view changes to display only the songs and albums you've downloaded. This is a great way to avoid accidentally streaming and using data when you're out and about. Now you're ready to play. Go to your library, tap the section labeled Downloaded or Offline Music, and pick what you want to hear. Press play, and your music will start instantly, even with Wi-Fi and mobile data turned off. You'll still have all your usual playback controls like shuffle, repeat, and playlists, and everything will run smoothly because it's coming from your device, not the internet. If a track doesn't start, it usually means it wasn't downloaded. Just reconnect later and save it for next time. There are a few important details to keep in mind. You can't listen offline unless you download first. Offline mode isn't available on the free plan. It does work with Amazon Music Prime, though downloads are more limited, and with Amazon Music Unlimited, which allows full downloads. Also, downloaded songs are encrypted and play only inside the Amazon Music app. They're not MP3 files you can move or use in other apps. To get the best experience, download playlists or albums you love before you go offline, and occasionally refresh your downloads when you're connected so everything stays up to date. That's all you need to enjoy Amazon Music anywhere, without relying on a connection.